coast is clear, nobody else is around, so I think I'll slip into something a little more comfortable. Much better. Top of the morning to ya. I will not even attempt an Irish brogue accent because that would be highly offensive to my Irish friends. So I've lived here in Chicago for many, many years, and I've never made it on time for the St. Patrick's Day parade where they turn the river green. So I woke up at the crack of dawn today to avoid all the crowds, to stay socially distant from everybody, except for you. So come along for my morning walk around the loop. What are you thinking about there, Justin? Why is the river green? Good question. Every year since 1962, the city dyes the Chicago River green to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. The idea began when the business manager of the Chicago Plumbers Union saw that the white coveralls the plumbers were using were stained with a green dye. At the time, this dye was used to detect leaks and pollution in the river. The manager thought it'd be a great idea to dye the river green, and so the tradition began. The dye that they use to make the Chicago River green is actually orange until it hits the water. It takes about 2 motorboats, 40 pounds of this dye, to get it the green that it is today. They call it leprechaun dust, and it is a top secret formula. What could be in it? 4-leaf clovers? Lucky Charms? The crushed bones of leprechauns? Well, is anyone interested in watching me attempt to do an Irish jig? No? Well, too bad. Cue that dance montage. Well, there you have it. I got to get out of the house, get some fresh air, learn some Chicago history. And now it's time for me to go back to bed. But before I do that, please hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, maybe a compliment or two. Stay boundless, and I'll see you next time.